guys, this is Erica. Today, let's talk about the Union Node. Sometimes you might be in need of combining data from different sources into one big list. That's where the Union Node comes in handy. The Union Node does exactly what it sounds like. It merges the data from two or more independent sources into a single dataset. It's like taking all the rows from one table and stacking them on top of another. After connecting the forms with the Union Node, if the field names and types match between the forms, Jodo will automatically integrate them into one column. But if there are fields with different names, you will need to integrate them manually. With the Union Node, you can effortlessly combine your data and create one cohesive dataset. For more detailed guidance, check out our help document for the Union Node. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.